Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version. So, open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. Right here you need to scroll down, and right here we have Update Firmware. Click on it. Also you need to enter into your account or create a new one, and then it checked for updates, and it said I know that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Now, if it didn't help you, or you haven't a new software version like me, the next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open the lid. At the bottom we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until this light flashed red 3 times. So press and hold. Firstly it entered to panic mode, so it starts blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding it. 1, 2 and 3. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove and add this earbud. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds or settings icon. Now forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we don't need to use connectional button. We just tap the earbuds at the device list, and we have connection. If you have the same problem that there is 2 earbuds, just open, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and then tap on your earbuds, and we have only one. Now, if both of these methods didn't help you, the last one I recommended to fully charge your earbuds. Of course, put it to the charging case and fully charge it. If the battery level are the same, amazing. If it doesn't, I recommended to contact customer service. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!